Hello everyone, my name is Niranjan and welcome to my channel Niranjan Key Design. I will give information about different design softwares on my YouTube channel like AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, PTC Creo, Simonix, Solid Edge, etc. and etc. I will upload one video every day. So don't forget to subscribe and share one more to your friends who are looking for a career in design. So let's begin. We draw a sketcher part. Take a rectangle, specify first point, 0, tab, 0, enter. Length is 40, 4, 0, tab, height, uh, 55, enter. Okay, I close the grid lines. Okay, now we use a chamfer. Okay, in a chamfer, we can use a ch enter, or here is a chamfer command. Fillet and chamfer is in here. Okay, click chamfer. Then select distance, enter distance, 10, enter, 10, enter. Then select edge. Again, we want to this command again use. Then simply enter the button, space button. Okay, then distance, 10, enter, 10, enter. Again, click space button, distance, 10, enter, 10, enter. Select one line, then second line. Again, enter, select distance, 10, enter, 10, enter. Select this one and this one. That's it. Now I use offset command. Okay, here is offset. Click it. Specify distance. I want 5 mm. So enter a distance 5. Enter. Then select the diagram. Inside or outside? Inside or outside? I want inside. So click cursor, go into inside and click it. Simple. Then escape. Here I take a line, center point. Escape. Now I use a mirror command, not a mirror, offset. Take offset, enter a distance, 7.5. Enter. Select line, this side, select this one line and this side. Okay, escape. Now I use trim, TR double enter. Select erase. Okay, sorry, escape. TR double enter. Select one, select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, now this one also, this also, this is okay, okay, okay. Select it, trim it. Okay, no problem. I use the escape button and select this line and simply delete it. And again, this line select and use the delete button. Okay, now I use a mirror command. So I can use a mi enter also. Here is a mirror. Select object. There are three lines. Then space enter space button. Select midpoint. Here triangle show. Like the triangle indicates midpoint. This point to okay. Uh, this is center midpoint. Source. When we click yes, this can happen. So I use Control Z. Now again. So always enter a no button. Mirror. Select. 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 Space button. Center point to the center point. No. Escape. Then TR double enter. Simply. That's it. Now take a dimension 20. This point. Okay. Escape. Take this point. Take this point to this point. We use chamfer 10 mm so that this distance is 10. Okay, 15, 10. Here we use chamfer 10 mm so that the distance will be 10. This this one 10, this one 10. Okay, and here we use offset 5 mm. Okay, this exercise completed. Let's select it normally. Okay, looks like good. That's enough for today. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night.